whoa. Tio, just a second. All right, now listen. I'm gonna give you fellas one last chance to reconsider. And if you don't wanna reconsider, I might consider reconsidering myself. Huh? Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right, now listen up. Things are gonna be different around here now that Rango's in town. Got some new rules. I want my shoes shine every morning, my coffee hot with a Danish on the side. Whatever you do, don't look me in the eye. Stay out of my peripheral vision.
It's Rango.
What's up? Oh, he ain't afraid of nobody. He's telling that bird what for.
And when you see me coming, stand aside. I take large steps, and I don't want none of you hay seats getting your bodily fluids on my boots. Of course, there is no need for violence, as long as we stick together, work as a team. So I want you all to come on outside now and line up a single file while I take a brief intermission.
What's he doing now?
I think it's a number 2. Never mind. Take a look-see over here. Look at him now.
Oh, he's chasing after that hawk.
Give him hell, Rango!